Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the microphone on your Windows is not working. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, go for system and then click on sound. That's under display, volume levels, output, input, sound devices. Now here for the output, you need to choose the right output for your Windows. Like it should be the speaker, Realtek audio, which is the default device. Now also for the volume, make sure this is not muted. If this is muted, just simply move this volume slider to the desired volume that you want. And then scroll down and you'll find input. You also need to make sure that you are choosing the right microphone for your input and that make it as a default device. So also make sure that the volume right here for the input or for the microphone, this is not muted. Make sure this is set to maximum. Now once done, close this window. Then again, we need to click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, go for privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Simply scroll down and you'll find app permissions. Now you have to click on microphone. Make sure the microphone access is enabled or this is switched on. Access your microphone, make sure the button is on, especially for the applications that really needs to access your microphone like WhatsApp, Google Meet, or the Microsoft Teams. So make sure of that. Make sure the microphone access is on. Then close this and then in the Windows search bar, type here services. Click on it under the best match. Then scroll down to W and look for the Windows Audio Service. This one. Make a right click, select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. Again, make sure this is automatic. If this is already running, click on Stop. Click on Yes. Now once done, click on Apply and then OK. And then close this window. Then for the next method is we need to search in the Windows search bar, Device, Manager. Click on it under the best match. Now here we also need to update our audio drivers. So you have here the audio inputs and outputs. Click on this arrow. Then you'll find the speaker Realtek audio. Make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. And you can also do this for the list of drivers right here. Just make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Right click, update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Right click, update driver, and then search automatically for drivers, and then close this. Then simply scroll down and you'll find this sound, video, and game controllers. Let's scroll down first. This one, the sound, video, and game controllers. Then look for the speaker, which is the Realtek audio. Make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this and then close this window. And then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So that's it. That's how you can fix microphone not working on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.